let's learn the 2 times table.
2 times 1 equals 2.
Your turn. 2 times 2 equals 4.
Think carefully.
2 times 3 equals 6.
Can you solve it?
2 times 4 equals 8.
Let's count together.
2 times 5 equals 10. Can you find the answer?
2 times 6 equals 12.
Let's solve this one. 2 times 7 equals 14.
Can you guess the answer?
2 times 8 equals 16.
Your turn.
2 times 9 equals 18.
Final question. 2 times 10 equals 20.
Can you solve this one? 2 times 11 equals 22.
Let's keep going.
2 times 12 equals 24. Can you guess?
2 times 13 equals 26. Your turn. 2 times 14 equals 28.
Let's solve it together.
2 times 15 equals 30.
Can you find the answer?
2 times 16 equals 32. Keep counting.
2 times 17 equals 34. Almost there.
2 times 18 equals 36.
One more after this.
2 times 19 equals 38.
Final challenge. 2 times 20 equals 40.
Wow, you finished all the way to 40.
You're a math superstar.
Don't forget to practice every day.
See you in the next fun learning adventure.